Hello everyone, today we visit the national winner from Agen Old Birds. It was the first international race for old and yearlings together. There were 29,688 birds in total in the race. And the international winner for the old birds is this 2 years old hen from Walter Mertens in Mol. It's a small middle hen. She has a white eye. She's flying on widowhood, and Walter best getting 3 old birds on Agen. He clocked them in 25 minutes, and they flying all of them in the top 100 national. So a fantastic result. The ring number of this pigeon is 6210641 from 21, and the distance from Agen to Mol is 867 kilometers. The velocity was 1285 meters per minute, and the wing of this pigeon, it's a very nice wing. She's a daughter of a cock who win first national zone Châteauroux, and for Walter is this his second national victory in his career, and this hen is a granddaughter of the first national Orange in 2012.